Hi, this is Jim with Town and Country Realtors.
Hello, Jim. This is Margaret.
Oh, hey, Margaret. It's good to hear from you.
Jim, I wanted to get back with you regarding the listing of our home. Both Carl and I were most impressed with you.
You're very kind. Thank you.
But alas, we've decided to list our home with Jan at Uptown Realty.
Oh, well, I know Jan. She's a fine agent. I'm sure she'll do an excellent job for you. You know, Margaret, I'm trying to improve as a professional. Do you think you could tell me what I could have done to get your business?
Of course. Jan offered to do an open house every day for the first 2 weeks of the listing.
Wow. So Jan agreed to sit in your house every day for 2 weeks?
Oh, no. She uses open house every day. Potential buyers call the open house sign. It rings everyone's phones at once. This assures that someone's always available to show the home. Plus, nobody gains entry to the home without being vetted first. And that's why we chose Jan to list our home.
But I'm your nephew.